friends from YouTube. This is Al Husby, Fun Family Channel. FirearmPop has sent me this, and I believe there are some other YouTube channels doing a video on this very interesting keychain. And the principle is, it's a keychain, but it's also a weapon where you can, put some weight on it and defend yourself with this stuff. So this is the first time I'm going to try to use this. I'm going to hit that McCafe. It had some coffee earlier today. First I want to show you how I would use this to defend myself. There are some movements I can do with this. They're very similar to the use of a nunchaku. I can use this like pretty much the same way we use. I would not do everything I'm doing here, but I would use it as a, descendant and ascendant hit, and like I'm doing on diagonal, like this. I also can use on reverse mode. So let's try to heat that cup of water with this thing. Let's see how it works. All right, and I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna do the best I can with this. All right. Let me just measure the distance, and there you go. Continue. Look at the thing, and look what is done to the cup. I think this cup is a little has a harder surface than most of the faces we know out there. So there is the test FirearmPop asked us to do. I consider it to be a success. The only thing I would suggest to my friend is reinforce this. Use a stronger ring, because it depends on the weight you're gonna put in this thing. It might break up, but the whole concept is awesome. I like this. Thank you very much for allowing me to test this thing. Okay, this is the keychain test for FirearmPop, and I love doing that. Thank you very much. Keep up the good work, and keep your powder dry. God bless you.
Ele vai.
Tá dando de baixo pra cima, por isso tá batendo no tripé.
Não sei. Tá preparado?
Há muito tempo, tá gravando já.
Really?
That was a total destruction, man.
That hurt my back.
That was a total destruction. Just get it, please. Hand it to me. Yeah. Yeah, fruits will die with this thing. Like Tom Gresham always says. It's not just fun, but it works. The surface of an orange is soft as a human being's face. The softness is pretty close. Well, you did a great job, Pedro. I think you did better than me, because I hit the cup and you hit a fruit. Well, I consider my mission with you, my friend FirearmPop, accomplished. Thank you for allowing us to participate with this challenge. Let me show how the keychain is right now. The ring expanded a little bit. We'll leave a suggestion to reinforce those, but it's not a problem. I'm pretty sure you're going to work this thing out. All right.